Well, guys, I'm always down here in this basement fixing household mechanicals. It cost me $500 a few weeks ago to get the blower motor for the air conditioner and furnace replaced. And then last week, I haven't posted the video yet. I had to get my shit tank cleaned out, and the shit tube had roots growing in it. So that cost me about $400. Now the furnace isn't working right, and it's getting cold at night. I don't like to be cold at night, so the furnace starts, cycles through normally, flames kick on, lasts for a few seconds, go out. Okay, no big deal. That's your classic crap flame sensor. It gets a coating on it. You got to sand it off. I watched 100 videos. Well, I took it out and I sanded it. Still ain't working. Watch. Here's what it does. You'll see the ignition element start glowing orange on the right here in a second. So I know the igniter is working properly. Did I say it? There you go. That's starting to turn orange. The valve will open up, and senses that's working right, valve opens up. Flames shoot across. See that little rod right there in that flame? That senses whether or not you have flame or not. If you don't have flame, if it doesn't sense it, it cuts the gas off, and that keeps keeps the gas from building up in your house and becoming a bomb. So it says there was no flame, so it shuts the valve off and shuts the gas off. Like I say, normally that gets a coating on it, and every couple of years you gotta sand that off. But that's not the case with this. I sanded it off. It may be a bad sensor altogether. It may just be bad. And here, I can take it out real quick. Here's where mine is. You don't even need any special tools. I just had a little wrench and loosened it up. Now it's finger loose. There it is. That little rod, it was kind of dull gray looking. So I shined it up with some sandpaper. And my neighbor's heating and air guy, the one that fixed the air conditioner last time. So I'll get him over here in a few minutes and see what he says. I'll let you know what's going on once we get this thing running.